Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to sign up for Binance, as well as how to use peer-to-peer trading and futures trading, step by step. Let's start with the Binance sign-up process. Before we move ahead, please double-check that the Binance app is already installed on your phone. Once the installation is complete, launch the Binance app on your device. To begin creating your account, tap the Sign Up button on the screen. You can register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. At the bottom of the page, tick the Agreement checkbox to accept the terms. After that, tap Continue to move forward. A verification code will then be sent to the email address or phone number you selected earlier. When the code arrives, enter it into the verification field on the screen. Now it's time to create a password for your Binance account. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long, and it must include at least one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and at least one number. Once the password setup is complete, you'll be taken to the Invite a confirmation screen. On this page, make sure you select Yes. After choosing Yes, a field to enter a referral code will appear. Here, enter the referral code SKY333. By using this code, you'll receive 20% discount on trading fees, along with extra bonus rewards. For that reason, I strongly recommend entering the code before finishing registration. Next, let's move on to identity verification. To use deposits, trading, and withdrawals on Binance, identity verification is required. First, select your country of nationality. Then, choose the type of identification document you'll use. You'll see several options listed here. Among them, a passport is the most commonly chosen option. When you're ready, tap Take Pictures to start the verification process. Align your passport within the camera frame, and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, proceed with facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen, and complete each step one by one. Once everything is done, your verification request will be submitted. In most cases, the review process takes about 1 hour. After approval, your account status will change to verified. Now, let's add Google Authenticator to strengthen your account security. Head back to the main home screen, tap the Binance logo in the upper left corner of the screen. Next, press the arrow icon on the top right side. From the menu, open the Security section. Tap on Authenticator app from the list. Then select Enable to continue. Please complete the email or phone verification. You'll be taken to the Authenticator setup page. On this screen, copy the 16-digit key shown. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap the plus icon in the lower right corner. Choose the option labeled Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. For the key field, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. After that, tap Add to save it. You'll see a 6-digit verification code appear. Copy this code, and go back to the Binance app. Enter the code into the Authenticator app code box. When this is done, the Authenticator setup is complete. To access futures trading, Pro mode must be enabled. Return once again to the home screen, tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. If Binance Pro is displayed, tap it to switch Pro mode on. Secondly, let's look at how to use peer-to-peer trading to add funds. Tap Assets in the bottom right corner of the screen. The Futures wallet is dedicated exclusively to futures trading. The Spot wallet is where you store and trade your main assets. Start by tapping Spot. Then choose Add Funds. On this page, several deposit methods will appear. For this tutorial, we'll be using peer-to-peer deposits. Tap the icon located in the top right corner. Select the currency you plan to use. Now choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Most people typically go with USDT. Next, press this button. You can then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. Next, tap this button again. You can then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. A list of available advertisers will now be shown. Try to choose sellers with strong trading history and positive ratings. Pick one advertiser and tap Buy. Some sellers may ask for additional verification. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Before continuing, carefully check the advertiser's details. If everything looks fine, tap Place Order. Once the order is placed, the seller's profile and bank information will appear. Before sending the payment, open the chat and read the instructions closely. While making the transfer, confirm that the account name and number match exactly. Now, send the payment using your selected method. After the transfer is complete, tap Upload Payment Proof. Attach at least one screenshot or receipt as proof. Once the proof is uploaded, check the agreement box at the bottom. Then tap Transferred, and choose Notify Seller to alert the advertiser. The USDT will be released and sent to your spot wallet shortly. Finally, I'll show you how to trade in Binance Futures. Before you place any futures orders, you need to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Begin by opening your spot wallet. From there, tap on Transfer. Set the transfer direction to spot wallet to USDM futures. Select the coin you want to transfer, then type in the amount you wish to move. After a brief delay, the transferred funds will show up in your futures wallet. To open the futures market, tap Futures at the bottom right of the app. The futures trading screen will appear. Tap the area in the top left corner to select the coin you want to trade. For this walkthrough, I'll choose Percust. Next, move on to setting the margin mode. In cross mode, all available margin is shared across your positions. With isolated mode, margin is limited to a single position only. For beginners, isolated mode is usually the safer option. Now, choose your leverage level. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. Although higher leverage can amplify profits, it also raises the level of risk. If you're new to futures trading, using lower leverage is a more cautious choice. Next, choose which direction you want to trade. If you think the price will rise, tap Buy. If you expect the price to drop, tap Sell instead. Here, you can check how much margin is available. Right below that, tap to choose an order type. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter the order price and the quantity. If you're betting on a price increase, tap Buy Long. If you're expecting a decline, tap Sell Short. To keep track of your trades, look at the bottom section to view open positions. The ROI shows your current profit or loss. The entry price indicates your average entry level. The mark price represents the current reference market price. The liquidation price shows where the position would be force closed. To control risk, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss. When you're ready to close the trade, tap Close. Choose whether you want to close at market price, or use a limit price. Enter the closing price and amount. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, the position will be closed completely. In this video, I showed you how to set up a Binance account on your phone and use both peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. I broke everything down step by step so it would be simple and easy to follow. If you have any questions, or if any part was confusing, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll try my best to reply as quickly as I can. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video.